Today we will be unboxing a welder's kit. In this kit, you can find these on Amazon. This kit I actually got at a local facility here in Little Rock, Arkansas called Welsco. Welsco sell these kits, so if you're looking for a starter kit, check out Welsco. They have many of these kits available. Sometimes you have to wait on the order. As you see, we have ordered a lot of kits because we have students coming in. But I want to show you what's in this kit. So starting out, just to show you just on the front, on the cover, it pretty much says that you got all the basic essentials. You have a bag to put your welding hood in and your tools. You have a welding hood, some gloves, some cutting goggles, and some clear lenses, a magnet for when you're sticking things together doing small fabrication, some chalk, some soapstone, some dikes, you have some tip cleaners, torch, striker, chip and hammer, and a wide brush is what's in this kit. So unbox it, see what we got. Well, as you see, when you get it, they pretty much have everything in the bag in this kit. Different kits are different, but I actually like this one. This hood isn't a bad hood. It's a pretty good hood. I do like it. I have a grind mode on this hood, so this is a pretty decent hood. I do like it. So getting started, I think that's a plus. Then you got your little kit for a cutting torch. You know, getting you ready to clean your tips and stuff like this. And they got some decent gloves. These here, they ain't too bad. They feel kind of heavy. So, you know, one thing about when you get gloves, you can always spend more and get better gloves. But what I have noticed is, me personally, I won't spend over $20 on some gloves. You're gonna find different type of brands, but you know, when you go through them so much, I wouldn't just break the bank on them. But these looks pretty decent to get you started. Then we got some nice little cutting goggles. I like these though. Nice little cutting goggles. Then you got you a magnet for fabrication. This come in handy when you putting things together, you know, little small things on your own. You can actually buy some more of these, but these are pretty cool to have. Old-fashioned chipping hammer. Don't be chipping on your metal though. Chip the weld. Knock the slag off. Don't put holes in the metal. Let me say that. Got your old school wide brush. And I will say this, when you're taking a D1.5 test uphill, those tests require it's a bridge cert, and you can only use a chipping hammer, wide brush, and a scraper when you're doing that 1-inch coupon uphill. So just keep that in mind. When you're doing a regular D1.1, you can use the grinder and things like that. But when you're doing bridge testing, you can't use the grinder. Then you got some good dikes. I like these. I like these cutting pliers. These are real good ones. And one good thing I like about these, because some people don't know when you're getting started, this big opening at the bottom is for your nozzle. That's how you take the nozzle off. This little bitty opening up here, this is for your tip. This is how you remove your tip, and then you cut your wire. Now, at the front, it's got a surface where it's flat when you cut it. If you flip it on the other side, it's an indentation. When you get ready to cut your wire off, cut it on the side with the indentation side. That way the stick out is almost pretty standard what you need when you get to going. So just wanted to give you a few tips and show you what was in the bag. Safety glasses. Now, even though you got your hood on, still put your safety glasses on. And I'm gonna say that because BBs and slag can go behind it, and you just want to be safe, family. Having these glasses on can just prevent you from having any issues. I've been welding for a while now, and I have did it without the glasses and with them, and I can say it's safer with the glasses. So I think this is a great kit, and like I say, they got these on Amazon, but I don't know if you get everything that's in this kit. But if you're in the local area of Arkansas, or no matter where you at, most welding supply stores might have little kits like this to get people started. Normally they'll keep a couple, or they might have it where they can order some in for people getting started with welding. but you're gonna have to check out your local area for that. But I really think this is a good kit getting started, a good welder's kit. Like I said, I got this from Welsco in Little Rock, Arkansas, but you can find kits like this on Amazon. Be blessed, get your hog on. I'm out.